Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to leave a shared folder. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at our shared folders. On the left side of the screen, just below photos, you can see a button like this that is shared. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, this right here is the folder that was shared with me. And let's say I want to leave this folder. Here's how you can do it. On the right section of this folder, you will see these three dots or simply more. Just click on it and click on remove from Dropbox. And as you can see, you have been removed. Once again, follow the same process. And likewise, hit on remove me. Finally, give your confirmation, that is remove my access. And guys, that is it. That's how we leave a shared folder in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.